SMTI Banda Aceh as one of the vocational schools formed by BPSDMI since 1965 has forced the people of Aceh to become industrial workers with synergized learning through adjusting regional superior commodities and empowering the environment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. One of the most important things in realizing good and quality learning activities is a healthy and comfortable environment.
A good environment requires a joint effort that demands the synergy of the entire school community to always care about all forms of environmental conservation activities. Success in winning the Adiwiyata Mandiri Award does not necessarily stop our collective efforts to continue to instill a culture and discipline to preserve the environment so that we can realize the Asean Eco School. Hopefully, our school will be fresher, greener, cooler, and bring blessing both physically and mentally.
Start small, start now, and start from yourself.
SMK SMTI Banda Aceh plays an active role in reforestation activities such as planting mangroves, which can reduce the impact of the tsunami waves that involve all stakeholders. To reduce the use of plastic, SMK SMTI Banda Aceh initiated the 3,000 tumbler movement with the theme 1%, 1 tumbler. This activity is in collaboration with Banda Aceh City Government, which is distributed to the community. As a form of support for the Zero Waste program, we separate waste by some categories: organic, plastic, paper, toxic, and hazardous residual waste. Focusing on waste management, another action is conserving water resources through reusing used ablution for plants watering. saving is also become the focus in promoting a culture of loving the environment.
Our environment is very important for us. We have to keep our environment clean to make our life is healthy. Now, I want to ask you a question. What do you think about your environment? You can answer. Okay. Please answer the question.
In my opinion, the environment around me is beautiful and uninspiring.
Okay, wonderful. Good answer. Another question? Is there any question from you? Okay, please, Rizky.
Miss,
Okay, please.
how to keep our environment clean?
Oh, good question. I will answer that.
Teachers and students continue to build saving energy habit, such as ensuring all electronic devices and lights are turned off after teaching and learning process done. As a school that concentrates on the utilization of palm oil and its derivatives, innovation by utilizing leftover frying oil into biodiesel as an alternative fuel to reduce dependency on fossil fuels. Aceh as the well-known country of coffee shop. Thus producing large amounts of coffee grounds. The thought of utilizing this waste as a raw material that has impact on environmental preservation resulted in a breakthrough to create brikets. Starting from the manufacture of press equipment, the process of making, the quality testing at the laboratory.
SMK SMTI Banda Aceh.
Let's make Asean Eco School!